Hi everyone. Today our topic is sets. What do you mean by set? A set is a well-defined collection of object. What do you mean by well collection defined of object? Now to see this one. What do you mean by well-defined collection of object? And you have to add the one more word without repetition. Means, for example, vowels. Whatever the vowels, so write as set A. So whatever the set A means, this one will be write as A, E, I, O, U. So these are one of the set. Now to see this one is all the vowels. So and normally set will be denoted by capital means capital alphabets, and within two braces we call it as normally set and well defined collection of object with distinct. You have to add one more word with distinct. Now I'll take one more example. The letter of the word mathematics. Letters of word mathematics. Now to see, now after write on that, this one will be denoted by set B. Now what are the elements will be, what are the letters are there? M two times are there, but it will be write only one time. Why? Because it's with the distinct elements, means the distinct object. M. Next A also two times, but you'll write only one time. Next T one time. H. Then E. M is over, A is over, T is also over, I, C, S. So these are the best example for the sets. So this sets will be denoted when the different representations of two methods. There are two methods of representing a set. First one is roster or tabular form. Second one is set builder form. So we'll be discuss first one is roster form. Roster form means all the element of a set are listed within two braces. Within two braces, we call it as a roster or tabular form. For example, I'll take that let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till it will be 20. For example, means all the element have to write within the two braces. Such a method we call it as a roster method or tabular form. I'll take one more example. Now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now to see to 100. Okay. Now we'll take one more example. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to observe that here last term is not given. So it is infinite set. Whatever is the first two example, A and B are the finite set example of roster or tabular form. Finite sets. Finite sets. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. See the next one is set builder form. What do you mean by first one is a roster or tabular form. Second one is a set builder form. What do you mean by set builder form? All the elements of a set possess a single common property. I have to underline this one. This is important. Single common property which is not possessed any element outside of the set. Means all squares number. Example, write as A equal to X such that X is a perfect square or square number less than 20. Example. Now to see X such that X is a square of a square of numbers less than 20. Less than 20 in the sense 20 is not included. Why? Because only less than, not equal. Less than or equal to means 20 is included. Now write on that write on this one. Again, this can be written as whatever this one less than 20 means whatever that one. 1. Yes. You can start from 0. Yes. 0, 1, 4, What about the next one is 3 means 9, 4 means 16, and 5 you can't take. 5 square if you take means it will becomes more than 20. So I have to stop it. See now an example they given. Write the solution of the set of the equation in roster form. Roster form means we just now discussed that what is the roster method. Have to express the values in terms of the within two braces. Now this one have to simplify this one. X square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So is it possible to factorize this one? Yes, 2 into 1 we can write x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now I'll take x is common here. It become x plus 2. Here I'll take minus 1 is common. Here also x plus 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 2. Is that right? Now what about this one required roster form? Open 1 comma minus 2. So these are required answer. Please note down. Okay, move to the next slide. Write this set x such that x is a positive integer, x square is less than 40 in the roster form. Now x value, I have to write down all the x value. X square value should be less than 40. Means I'll write the set a equal to, if you take the 0 is a positive integer. 0 you can't say it is a positive or negative. 0 doesn't have the sign. You can't start 0. You start from 1. 1 square means less than 40. Yes, you can take 1. If you take 2 square means less than 40. Yes. 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. 5 square means 25. 6 means 6 square means 36. You can't take 7. Why? Because 7 square means 7 square is 14 and 14 is less than 40. No. So you have to stop. So this is a roster form. So we are writing in the roster form in the sense the given question is set builder form. Set builder to we are converted to the roster. Roster to set builder means in case they given the roster means we are converted to the set builder. Set builder form. Vice versa. Similarly, we are going to the in case they given the set builder form is we are converted to the roster form. See the next one. Write the set a equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 in the set builder form. So now they given in the roster form. Now to convert in the set builder form. Now a equal to, here I'll write on that x such that x square, x is such that x square. What is your x value? You have to take that x is belongs to natural number. You can write that where x is belongs to natural number. Where x is belongs to natural number. Yes. If you take 1 means 1 square is 1, 2 means 44, 3 means 9, 4 means 16, 5 means 20. It will keep on going that there is no given last term is the infinite set. See the next problem. Write the set 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 till 6 by 7 in the set builder form. Means they given in the roster form. Now to come into the set builder form. So this one write as a equal to. Now to observe the term, numerator 1 means in the denominator plus 1 is more. Means n divided by n plus 1. Where what is their n value? N is less than or equal to 6 and greater than or equal to 1. And what is your n means? And one more condition I have to put that. Why? Because here n is less between 1 to 6 means in between points also possible. So and n is belongs to natural number. So now to see if you substitute n is 1 means we get the first term. If you substitute 2 means second term. Till if you substitute x value 6 means we'll get the last term. See the next one is exercise 1.1. Which of the following are the sets and justify your answer? The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. Is it the value? It is collection of the means very different collection of object? Yes. Why? Because the in the all the months which are the letters containing J, January, July. Yes, means you can write January, July, and yes, only 2 months, January and July, and June. As we can write full form June, July, January. Yes. See the second one, the collection of 10 most talented writers in India. It is not a set. Why? Because here 10 most talented writers of India means it is a person to person which change the meaning. Means in my point of view, 10% most 10 most talented writers is different. Maybe in another person also, 10 most talented person is different. Means it is a dependent on person to person, it will be opinion, it will be changed. Therefore, this collection of 10 most talented writers of India is not a set. So next one is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So this one is not a set. Why? Because best cricket players means again person to person we saying that we can't say that it will not get universal value, but first one will get the universal value, second and third is not a set. See the next problem, the collection of all boys in your class. Yes, it is a set because in your class means everyone there means according to the attendance list, otherwise in the list you will be get the exact value, it will not change that, it will be a unique answer, therefore it is a set. Next question to see this one. The collection of all the natural number less than 100. Yes, this one you can write A equal to 1, 2, 3 up to less than 100 means 100 is not included. You start to end by 99. A collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Yes, it is a he wrote how many wrote, it will be unique, it will be not changing. Only it's only one poem means what is that? Writer is Munshi Premchand. So you can consider that is also set. The collection of all even integer. Okay, this is also set. What are the collection of all even integers? Okay, I'll write in I. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 will be continued. It will never stop because of infinite set. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.